This week on Dateline Schools, we're learning about the 21-22 First Robotics season that just kicked off this month. Tell us all about it. My special guest is one of the coordinators from KPAC, John Antilla. And John, what is the theme for this year's? And is the theme a lot different from year to year?
The theme varies greatly from year to year. This year's robot is themed about the operations of an airport, and in particular, the transfer and handling of cargo on airplanes. So the theme of this year's robot, or the challenge, is to maneuver and manipulate cargo on the field to score into either the hub or eventually maneuver your robots onto the hangar to score points and ultimately win the challenge.
Now, when we're talking robots, we're not talking these little Lego desktop type of things. We're talking some pretty big things, aren't we?
Absolutely. The robots they're controlled by a height limit and a frame perimeter limit. So if you developed a square robot, they would be 30 inches by 30 inches and up to 5 foot 6 inches tall. So they're much, much larger than desktop robots that are usually associated with educational robots.
What kind of reaction did the kids give when the theme was announced and what they're going to have to try to create to do?
Well, there's quite a bit of excitement, some trepidation, as you might imagine, as you don't know how you're going to build a robot to actually perform all the game challenges. So, the lesser experienced students look at it and they scratch their head and wonder how we're going to do this. Some of the more veteran students, of course, will say, oh, we did this last year, we did this part the previous year before, and you start to build on, the experience of the team.
Great. So the kids actually have to design, get the materials, and do the building, right?
Absolutely. The whole design is, every team designs their own robot. And every year at competition, we'll see 3,000 plus solutions to the same problem, and ultimately they get pitted against each other, and some victors come out on top.
More tomorrow, the Dateline Schools.